Today we're going to talk about differences in multimeters. Difference between the manual adjustment and the auto adjustment. Now, if you're real good and you're a mechanic and you use it all the time, this one works really good. If you're not, and you're just a weekend mechanic and you got something wrong with your car or something wrong with your house, that's when this one comes in.
You don't have to have an electrical degree to run this one over here. This is a very smart piece of equipment. This is the Tesmen Smart Digital TSM 522S multimeter. It's a very nice piece of equipment. We'll show you how it works.
We'll start with the manual one. Now the manual one, as long as you're running a battery, you're going to go DC current because the battery is DC current. If you're going to a house, you want alternating current. So this, we're just going to do the DC. We're just going to check the battery current. Now it should have at least 12 volts. And right there you see, what is it saying? It's saying 12. So that's an easy test. On this auto one, it's a little different because it automatically tells you what you want. If it's AC, it's going to go to it automatically. If it's DC, it's going to go to it automatically. So you put it on auto, all you do is put it on auto, and it will tell you the difference in a battery, which is DC current, right there, or if you're not hitting no buttons, there's a stench cord. So it's right out of your house. You're going to put it right in here, right in there, and there it is, 120 volt. Oh, well, if I can get it to work again, there you go. Keep moving it. There it is. 120.
Right there.
Automatically. You ain't got to hit no buttons. It's just going to tell you if it's got current, what the current is. Takes all the guesswork out of it. If you don't know how to work this machine over here, this is a lifesaver. It takes all the guesswork out.
This is the one I use. I love it. That works for me. A lot of this stuff I don't understand. I have to go on YouTube, you got to look it up.
This one here is the one I use because I work semis. I'm constantly using it on trailer lights. So I have one of these in my truck. My semi, we're constantly using that. But that's the difference. I use it all the time. So this is what I prefer. He don't use it very often. This is what he prefers. This will keep you from getting the crap knocked out of you, literally. Because if you don't know what you're doing, and you put this on DC and you go get to that, it's going to make a loud pow.
Yeah, there's going to be problems.
There's going to be problems. So, they're on the TikTok shop. They're not very expensive. They're definitely worth the money. They come with batteries already. They come with owner's manuals. They come with their own carrying case. They're very, very durable. I've had the one in our truck 6, almost 8 months. And we use it all the time. Almost every week it's being used. We've already went through, I think, 3 sets of batteries. We use it so much. They're awesome to have. You put them in a toolbox. You never know when you're going to need them. You can test your coil packs all the way to extension cord to hot water heater elements. I mean, they're very versatile and they'll take a beating. You can drop them, whatever, and they just keep on working. They're a really good tool, guys.
That Tesmen brand is very, very durable. Excellent product. We are very proud to have them. Sponsor them the whole 9 yards.
And they do have a backlight. You hit the button. Let's see, let me power it on real quick. Goes on the back. There's a little button right there. So you just hit the button. It gives you a light. It's a pretty little light. It's pretty bright. Comes in handy. It's really easy to turn on, really easy to work. You can hit the different adjustments if you know your different adjustments. It has them, but the auto function is amazing on these things.
Very smart piece of equipment.
I would definitely recommend it to anybody. So definitely go in there and check them out. And we'll be back next time.
Thanks again, y'all.
Hit our buttons.